All right, welcome. I know why you're here. You have a rose bush that you just planted or an existing one, and you have ants in them. We recently bought this knockout rose bush, planted it, made a separate video on that, so you can search my channel on how to DIY plant your own rose bush. But long story short, we got it out of the little pot here, and we found plenty of ants. Check that out. They're kind of hard to see crawling up the arm there, but they are everywhere, and they're all carrying little larvae with them, so they clearly have decided to move in. Now, they're not generally harmful to rose bushes. You can Google that and learn more about to what degree ants are harmful to rose bushes. My understanding is they're not. They don't like eat the roots or anything like that. But I generally don't want them around, certainly not living in a young rose bush like this. So how do you get rid of them? Well, unfortunately, this involves taking them out, right? Taking them down using some chemicals. There they are. You can see them a little better there zoomed in. So we're going to be using some ant, it's this very sweet kind of ant poison. I hate that word. I really do. Poison. I always sound like such a big jerk killing animals, right? Or insects. But they got to go. So I'm just going to make a little DIY trap here. Now the idea is that they can run across this. It attracts them and they'll take it back down to wherever they're going. And that will take care of them. We're also going to add a little perimeter around so that and spray the actual ones that we can see a little bit with some general ant killer. Just a light dusting. I don't want to kill my grass. I don't have any pets that are going to be around here. My kids aren't going to be walking around here. So we'll just add a nice little perimeter so those existing ones, the ones that kind of fell out, can't find their way back. And if they do, they might encounter something like this. And that's what I am doing. Hopefully it solves my problem and helps you out as well. If I have any other suggestions, I'll be sure to put out other videos. But I think we can call this one good. Thanks.